Hey guys, welcome back to Kemari Reaction. How you guys doing today? Hi. So I'll be doing another reaction video to Katy Perry Firework that she performed at the Biden and Kamala Harris inauguration fireworks. And this is my special guest. This is my baby, it's my baby sister. Say hi for the people. Hi, Hermea. She loves Katy Perry. This is something I just found out, and I was like, since you love Katy Perry, let's do a reaction to Katy Perry Fireworks. So are you excited? Yes. Let's go.
Katy Perry.
Oh, she looks good.
Do you ever feel
like a plastic bag
drifting through the wind?
when you turn in? Do you ever feel
Just so paper thin, like a house of cards?
passing in? Okay. Her vocals got better.
Do you ever feel already buried deep? 6 feet under screens, but no one seems to hear.
Do you ever?
There's still a chance for you, 'cause there's a spark in you. It got
I'm the light, let it shine above the night. Sing, sing it. The firework, what you are. Sky. Come on, Maya, sing. This is your girl. Oh my god, you know I didn't watch the inauguration this year. She looks good.
Blue or black?
Where? On her shirt? It's blue, red, white, and blue. The dress is white, then you have the red stripes on the pants and blue on the sleeves.
Oh, there's Biden.
Yeah, that's Biden and his wife.
Imagine we was there.
That's Kamala Harris, the vice president. The first black female. She and her husband. You firework, what you are. The sky firework, the world reverse. Moon, moon, moon. Some nice fireworks.
Pretty.
Yeah, it is pretty.
It's like a water fountain.
Right? Yeah. Fireworks.
Wow. I wonder if other people see this. Like, not them, just other people.
Who? Yeah, the ones who watch inauguration. Do you see, like, it's red right here?
Yeah.
And it's blue at the top. Red, white, and blue. That's some American color.
Black.
Hmm? It's not black. It's blue.
They should put, a firework.
Oh, fireworks instead of... Oh, that'd be nice. I never thought of that. Like when the fireworks come out there, it just said Biden, Kamala Harris, president in 2021. Oh, look at you!
Yes, because I know a bunch of fireworks.
Huh?
Because I know a bunch of fireworks.
Okay. Okay.
Imagine they did what I just said.
Right now?
Yeah.
Oh, that's a lot of fireworks.
That'd be a lot of money.
Okay, so what do you think? Speak a little bit louder for the camera. What do you think?
I think that was great.
For someone who's a Katy Perry fan. Oh, look at that! I'm a Beyonce fan. You're a Katy Perry fan, and CJ listened to NBA, whatever his name is. NBA Chapas? No, what's his name? NBA what? That other kid, NBA young boy. That's who CJ like listening to, and you like Katy Perry, and I like Beyonce, who's the queen of the recording in all your fade squares. So what do you think of the performance? You said you like it? You enjoyed it? That's good. Katy Perry, she do come from a Christian background, and back then she used to have this song called Hot and Cold. Hot and cold, yes, you know. And I kissed a girl, and I kissed a girl, and I like it. Yeah, no, that's the Carrie we knew. I grew up with. She was everything. She still is everything. She's one of them big girls in the scenes. But as you guys can see, that was a Katy Perry performance from Firework. This is my baby sister. Say hi. She's so quiet. Why are you being so quiet? You want to be here today. Why are you so quiet? So that was a performance we watched together that Katy Perry did at the Inauguration 2021 for Biden and Kamala Harris. Whatever you guys want me to react to, feel free to leave a link below in the comment section. I get to it as soon as possible. As always, who can do you besides you? Anything you want to say to end it up?
Have a great day.
Have a great day. Thanks guys for watching. Bye.